get a good eye. I'm gonna get a bunch, and I'll have you guys identify them. All right, so for the eye, you have to look for the shape of the eye, and also for the most important muscle on the eye to orient it, whether it's left or right, is the inferior oblique. The inferior oblique always goes from the lateral side and runs medially, so it's this muscle right here. You see that it's running alongside. All of them run back. This one runs back. This one runs back. This one is not there, but then this one runs back. And the inferior oblique goes to the side. And it's always running towards your nose. It's running medially from the lateral side. So if you look at this, also you can look at the eye, the shape of the eye. The pointier, thinner, it looks like an egg, right? And the blunt part is always medial, and the thin part is the lateral one. So now looking at this eye, what would you say this eye is? If this is the inferior oblique, it's going from the lateral side into the medial side.
The right eye.
It's the right eye. Good, because then you remember to know that it's also a mirror image of it. It's not on your actual eye. You have to look at it as a mirror image. So this is running from lateral to medial. So if this is the lateral side, the lateral rectus, superior rectus, right here, superior rectus. The medial rectus is not on this eye, but it's on this eye, which is kind of a different, it's the opposite eye, but you see the necessitating membrane right here, and right next to it is the medial rectus. Also runs back, and then you have the superior rectus, and then underneath the oblique, you have the inferior rectus. So if you move this oblique.
Oh, this one actually had the inferior rectus.
Inferior rectus, yeah. The one that is missing in most eyes is the superior oblique. That's the one that you won't get. So if you look at this eye, let's say, what would you say this eye is? Look at this muscle.
I would say it's the right eye.
And then, what about? Okay, they don't have an oblique. Okay, say this one.
Left eye?
Left eye?
Yeah.
Yeah, left eye. Yeah, I was looking for the inferior
Yep, good.
oblique.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. And then the necessitating membrane is this hard, kind of hard black thing.
Oh, so
It covers up half the eye. It's like it's a membrane that covers the inner portion.
Okay, yeah, my eye didn't have that originally.
Yeah, a lot of them don't have them. Inside the eye, you have the lens, which is sitting here, and then you take it out. Okay, so this is the lens. It's covered in vitreous humor. And, all right, so look at that. This white portion is the sclera.
Okay.
Then you have this blue, nice, shiny stuff. That is the tapetum lucidum. The black stuff here, that's the choroid. Yep. And then the retina is this filmy, like mucusy stuff, and it's like a really thin film that covers the whole back portion of the eye. When you open it up, it kind of gets bunched up and gets all. This is the retina. Then you have, what do we got? We got the cornea, which is the covering of the eye, right? And then we have.
Here's your pen. Thank
Yep.
you so much. No problem.
How much we can do? Okay, so posterior chamber is filled with vitreous humor. Anterior chamber is filled with aqueous humor. What separates that? The lens, right?
The lens separates into the two
Posterior.
chambers, and then the two segments separates the full lens. Yeah.
Yeah. Good. I think that's about it.
Thank you.